What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We ended up taking a break-even trade today. Took two re-entries on this, and both got stopped break-even. So it is what it is. Basically, price off of market open just initially ripped up, and there was a nice opportunity right here to actually long off of a 2-minute inversion off a 5-minute bullish gap. So you could have entered here and then longed up to that 1 hour first presented, but I kind of faded that because I kind of wanted to see a bit of a deeper pullback and manipulation. But from there, we continue to respect out of that 1 hour first presented fair value gap. And then from there, we put in an internal SMT. So as you can see, NQ made a higher high. ES made a lower high, so therefore we had a bearish SMT. And at that point, I wanted to see at 10 a.m. price potentially come down and rebalance into that 15-minute unfilled gap, which obviously still hasn't been filled yet. So I was looking for some kind of displacement or, volume bearish so that I could look to short down to there. And we got this 2-minute inversion, which was the only inversion I seen right there. It was very small, but the main idea behind this was taking it on this strong push on this close. I think I got in right as the wick turned back up or something. I can't remember exactly, but I went break even at the internal lows because I wanted to see price just aggressively flush. Because if you look on the 1 minute, we had all of this like built up low resistance liquidity, like a trend line. So I wanted to see price aggressively flush through. So we got down to here. I went break even after we took all these internal lows. I wanted to see price just flush. Got taken out break even. Got a re-entry in and around, I think it was around 896 or something like that. I just seen it continuing bearish. I wanted to see it flush down. We take the internal lows out again, and then price just continued and stopped us out break even, or I manually closed it break even. I can't remember exactly where or whatever, but anyway, my idea was to see that 15-minute unfilled get tapped, and obviously it didn't. But if you did take the 1-to-1, that would have been a pretty decent trade to capitalize on that low resistance liquidity getting taken out. But main idea was to see that 15 get filled, and unfortunately didn't, so we got break even. But it is what it is. CPI tomorrow. We should have a good rest of the week. Full recap will be on YouTube in like 20 minutes, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.